Hi, my dear clients. I warmly welcome you all to Golden Investment Research Private Limited. Now we are going to see month performance of a particular script for a particular month. Not only for a particular month, for any month you can have a look at that. Here, when you click on this, you'll be redirected to the page of month performance of the scheme, particular scheme. Here it has been mentioned as intraday cash for the month of March till 16th, 2012. Here you can see totally how many calls they are given, and in the total calls how many have achieved and what is the failure calls. And for the 1st of March, how many calls they are given, what is the entry rate, stop loss, entry time and exit time. For India's first company which updates its performance genuinely and also with entry time and exit time. Why rest of the people were not updating with entry time and exit time? Because client may come to know that their performance were not genuine. But we are providing the entry time and exit time to prove our genuinity for global clients. And here you can see what is the target given and what is the profit and loss and what is the remarks. In this particular month of March, totally what is the profit it has been given for a particular scheme. Similarly, if at all I want to know what is the rest of the scheme's total profit in a particular month, you can select over here, for example, stock option for the month of March 2012. What is the total profit and what are the calls given on the particular month? Let us have a look at that. In the scheme of intraday stock option, totally 25 calls and how many achieved 20 calls. So you can see on a particular day how many calls have been given. It's by in options we do give only by calls. And what's the quantity, entry rate, stop loss, entry time, exit time, target, everything will be mentioned, and totally the profit is also mentioned over here. Suppose in M6 I want to know the most aspiring scheme, gold. Many people were now keen in having gold. So let us have a look at that M6 gold. In this particular scheme of gold, on the 3rd of 2012, totally how many calls have been given? 13. Achieved call is 12, almost 99% my dear clients. So in a particular day you can see what is the call given and the entry rate, same thing it has been given. And for this particular mega gold, the brokerage charges is just ₹9. Very hard to believe, right? But that's the fact. You need to believe that. Because we are offering the lowest brokerage in India, which charges only ₹9 for the mega gold or mega silver or aluminum, lead, zinc, whatever it is. The main purpose of having this lowest brokerage is to reduce your burden, my dear clients, because you are making the profit, but we are not interested to give this profit to this brass brokerage charges. So we are reducing your burden. So if at all I want to see the NCDEX scheme, you can readily come over here and see it's done here for the month of March, the same year 2012. Let's have a look at that. Till date, totally 10 calls have been given, almost 10 has achieved. A century like Sachin Tendulkar. See, on a day-wise performance, what are the calls given and actions, everything you can come to know. Totally 59,000 is a profit. And we have left one more scheme. Yes, that's right, my dear clients, it's currency. Let's have that currency too for the month of March, the same 2012. What is the total calls given and how many have achieved and what is the failure calls, everything you can see over here. A surprising news is that, do you come to a guess what is the sub-broker charges for this particular currency? No, that's not the correct answer. It's just ₹1 per trade. I too know that it's very hard to believe for you people, but that's the fact, my dear clients. We are offering the lowest brokerage in India, which charges only ₹1 for per lot, per scheme. If you trade in a USD INR one lot, you need to pay only ₹1 as the brokering charges. So by this way, we reduce the burden of the client and thereby increasing the profit which our lovable client is going to get. So have a nice trading and have a happy trading. Trade with trend, always trade with trend. That's the only thing which I keep on telling my dear clients. Always trade with trend.